Hi, with the Beat here with another video. This time it's with the Air India Boeing 747-400 scale 1:200. It is a very nice model aircraft and it is very special as well. I'm going to be telling you the reason while unboxing. But first, let's take a quick look at the box. Boeing 747-400 scale 1:200 and Air India. Here it is written. The fuselage. This is half of the main fuselage of the aircraft. Landing gear included, Hogan wings, and 1:2 scale plastic snap fit model. Highly detailed, superior graphics, simple snap fit construction, no painting required, and display stand included. And Air India scale was Boeing 747-400 scale was 200, and at the back we have the box art of the two Boeing 747-400. One is registration Victory Tango Echo Sugar Oscar VTESO, and the other one is Victory Tango Echo Victory Alpha VTEVA, and item number 2858 and 4555, and 2858 is my one because the blue dot marks it. Boeing 747-400 and a few specifications as well, and assembly instruction sheet has been required by Hogan wings. Yeah, so let's unbox, and the special thing about this plane is that I'm an Indian and my Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, this aircraft was his owned aircraft in which he used to travel, and this 747 was his private, and it was parked at the Air Force Base always, and it used to fly with the Prime Minister on, but now it's used for commercial aircraft. I love my Prime Minister, like the way he is. He's very nice, and in his memory I have got this aircraft, so it's like just a piece of him. It's a piece of him, a part of him, I mean. Yeah, but I love this aircraft. That's that. And here I have the stand, and I'm feeling really proud of myself that I'm unboxing it in front of you guys today. And anyways, and I hope you enjoy this video. And Air India English and Hindi Boeing 747-400, and the base and the stand of Air India. And also the wing, left wing. This engine is a bit loose. I'm going to tighten that up later, but right now it's going to work. The Air India Victory Tango Echo Sugar Oscar VTESO. Right, and the wing, it's very nice. And the other one, Victory Tango Echo Sugar Oscar. Yeah, this one is also very nice. And the stabilizers and the tail. Keep this aside, and now I can assemble the aircraft very nicely. The tail, the stabilizers, yeah, so I've assembled the aircraft, and it is very nice looking. And just set it down just like that, and this is the stand, and I can fix this. It is really nice. And let's get the aircraft on stand in flick. Here we have it, guys. The aircraft is on stand, and in just a flick, let's get on with the landing gears. Here, guys, I have the landing gears in a flick. Let's attach them. Here we go, guys. The landing gears have been attached, and just take a quick view of the whole aircraft. Just a flick. So the aircraft. Yeah, so this is my favorite look of the aircraft when I've stopped. So that was for today, guys, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And bye, friends, and I'm gonna be seeing you soon and I'll see you soon in my next upload. Bye.